I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by shutting down Visual Studio Code and turning off Settings Sync so changes won't propagate. Once done, export your settings. JSON and a list of installed extensions. This preserves what you need. Make sure to copy key bindings, snippets, and any workspace folders to a safe location because you will remove user data. Acting now prevents accidental loss. You're preparing the environment so the reset is precise and reversible, not a blind wipe. Next, you delete the user settings and extension folders for VS Code. On Windows, that's in %appdata% and %localappdata%, on Mac OS under /library/application support, and on Linux in /. Config. Once done, clear the cached state and GPU cache to remove stale session data. If extensions caused issues, remove their folders too. Make sure to reinstall the VS Code application files. Finally, restart VS Code and reinstall only the extensions you trust from your saved list, which prevents reintroducing the problem. Once done, import your settings. JSON, key bindings, and snippets selectively so you can spot any problematic configuration quickly. Make sure to enable settings sync only after verifying stability. If something goes wrong, start VS Code with the Disable Extensions flag and inspect the logs. That single troubleshooting step isolates extension faults and helps you recover without a full redo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.